What are we doing today?
Hey.
Let's go.
See you soon.
See ya.
That's it. Follow me.
Be careful near the water, little ones.
Wow, look at the fishies.
Yes, it's very sparkly. Whoa. Ooh. Ah. Look at me. I'm building a big sandcastle. I made it strong. It worked. Ta-da! Da. Ha-da-da-da-da.
Great job. Great.
Great job.
Wonderful.
Look what we made.
Wow.
Wow. I can do it. Ta-da! It is big and strong. Ta-da! Look what I made. It's perfect. All by myself.
Watch me. It's safe. Come on in. The water is perfect today. All right, I've got this. Whoa! Yes! Balanced! Safe and sound. Come on over, guys. Oh, look how easy and safe it is to swim through the lily pads. I'll show you. Keep your movements slow and steady, just like this.
The water is calm and inviting. I can do this. Whoosh! Hey! I almost fell! I did it! Slow down, Dino. That's too close to the edge. I can die!
Step! Pause. Look. Now you try.
Look!
Step! Good job!
I found it! A perfect boat! We can float this safely on the pond!
What a brilliant idea! Let's do it!
Look! A leaf boat!
Here you go, little friend. Remember, slow and steady.
I will! See? Slow things can be fun too! Whoa, it's really floating! Just like we said!
Uh-oh. Be
careful! Oh, I am sorry.
It's okay. Try this. Inhale and exhale.
Exhale!
That's it. See the boat?
So peaceful!
All right, baby Dino. Follow this line nice and slow.
Slow.
Steady.
Walk. Stop. Look. Continue. I can do that. Okay, I'm at the first stone. Looking good. Second stone. Almost there. Made it to the third stone. Wonderful job, Dino.
Good patience.
Slow is good. Oh no. Our boat. It's drifting,
Don't worry, I see a way. I've spotted a branch. I'm lifting it up like a fishing pole. We can pull it back slowly.
That's a perfect precision tool.
Good thinking. Good idea. Gently, like this.
I'm helping carefully.
Here for you.
That's it, Dino. Good job.
Slow teamwork.
Slow teamwork saved it. We need stronger support.
Let us build it precisely.
Slowly. Right.
One by one. Organize first.
I'm being careful. Oh. One step at a time. One step test.
Almost there. Perfect symmetry. It's ready. Slow loop. Pull gently.
I did it right! Balanced. Balance.
Look at it go!
It's perfect. Woohoo! Uh-oh.
Wait! Observe!
Step by step works.
Yeah.
Precision makes things strong. And patience keeps us safe. If the boat goes here, it may get trapped.
Oh, we need a safe path.
We do. Wait. Check first. Okay, I'll wait.
Let's put these stones here.
We'll need a clear path.
See? The boat should follow this line.
Perfect. This looks safe. Not here. Not here. Slow is smart. Slow is smart.
Okay, little boat, off you go.
Ah!
Look steady.
Whoa, it moves by itself. Oh no, we are drifting too close. Push us back, right away. That was a good correction. We fix problems calmly.
Thanks, I feel better.
You waited. That was smart.
Oh,
I didn't rush.
didn't rush.
That's precision too.
Ha! Safe path success. Accurate route planning.
Hooray!
Look what's in here. Be careful, Dino. What's that? It's just a water current. Rabbit? Is it dangerous? Good question.
No danger. Just moving water.
It's dancing.
We must guide it out.
Follow the leaves. They show the current.
Perfect observation. Slow push, not fast.
Okay.
That's it, gentle.
Yeah, it's moving.
Good job.
I did it. I did it. You used speed wisely.
Speed is powerful, but precision makes it safe.
I promise. I will think before I rush. Good promise. Teamwork works best. What was that?
Stay right there. Okay, down now. Okay.
Okay. Good job. Let me check.
Just a coconut. Oh. When you hear something, breathe first.
Okay, breathe first.
That's it. Breathe first, then act.
Someone passed here.
They go toward the bright path. Yeah.
Let's go F-A-S-T. Fast, but together. Together is best.
Wow, a big gate.
Looks ancient,
Careful now.
but it's so pretty. We'll be fine, just stick together.
All right, let's go.
Oh. This looks like, a map. We have to follow it. I go first.
Stop. We need to check it first. This part is weak.
Walk along the roots. They're strong.
Okay, slow steps.
Hmm? You got it.
Slow is safe.
You're doing great. Just keep following the path.
And hold.
Hold.
Then step again.
Whoa, I did it.
That's it.
So pretty. This place is special. Can I touch? Look first. Some plants are delicate. Okay.
Fast eyes, slow hands.
Curiosity is best when it's gentle. I will be careful. I look funny. The pond shows the truth clearly.
Careful. Big splash can hurt small things.
Oops. Oh, they're sensitive, like little friends. I'm sorry, flowers. Good. Say sorry, then do better.
Small control. Me.
I did it.
Look, a path.
Adventure path.
We go together, one by one. Slow, slow, slow. Careful, that one is weak. Avoid that one. Okay, here we go. Safe landing. Oh,
Breathe. Then step.
I did it!
That's right. You got it.
This must be the heart.
And we arrived safely together.